So, do you all want to join me in this video and get to know some more joins? Well then, let's go! What problem did we have with the previous join types? Right, if a value is present in one column but not in the other, the row is simply eliminated in the inner and natural join. That's a little sad. Now we have a left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Let's first take a look at the left join. The left join, or also known as left outer join, works just like the inner join. However, with the first join, rows from the first or the left table are written if they do not have a matching column value in the second table. In SQL, we write left join because the table's for this purpose. Then an on comes after this, and then the columns that should be compared again. Let's take a look at this in practice. Let's assume that we eliminate Ridley Scott from the director table. Thus, the rows Gladiator and Robin Hood would no longer have a join partner. There is a 2 in the director column, but we do not have a director ID of 2 in the director table. The rows would then be omitted. But we write our left join with the film and director tables. We take our director and director ID column again as columns. With the left join, all rows from the first table, therefore the film table, are written. The columns from the second table where there is no matching value are simply filled with null. Nice! The right join works just like the left join. However, the rows from the second table are considered, and not those from the first table. The instruction is similar to the left join instruction, just with the right join. Let's eliminate Gladiator and Robin Hood from the film table, and add Ridley Scott as the director again. The director Ridley Scott would no longer have a join partner from the film table with his ID 2. Thus, only the row with Iron Man would remain. Now, however, we write the right join with the film and director tables. We take director and director ID as columns again. Thus, all rows for the second table are now in the output. The missing values from the film table are filled with null. Perfect! So what do we do now with our full outer join? Correct! Right and left join are simply connected. That means that all rows that do not have a join partner are written down. It does not matter which table they are in. In SQL, we simply write a full join between the tables for this. The columns that we want to compare come after this. Now there's also a self join. That is a little different. That is why we are not going to talk so much about it now. With a self join, you can simply join a table with itself. In SQL, you enter the same table twice into the from column, but you put a different name for the tables after this so you can keep them apart. We do not have an extra join instruction now. What do you need to remember about the other join types? The outer joins work similar to the inner joins. With a left outer join, rows from the first table are also written if they do not have a join partner. The missing values are filled with null. We write a left join in SQL for this. With a right outer join, rows from the second table are also written if they do not have a join partner. Missing values are filled with null. We write a right join in SQL for this purpose. A full outer join summarizes the right and left outer join. A self join connects a table to itself. However, there is no join clause for this. Alright, that's all for the join types now. Continue to click through the videos and you can learn a lot about new things. See you later!